What's the meaning of Aneurin Bevan? Aneurin Bevan. Aneurin Bevan. Aneurin Bevan. Aneurin Bevan. Aneurin Bevan.
Aneurin Bevan was a British Labour Party politician who is best known for his role in creating the National Health Service, NHS, in the United Kingdom. He served as the Minister of Health in the Attlee government from 1945 to 1951 and oversaw the establishment of the NHS in 1948. Bevan believed that healthcare should be available to all, regardless of income, and his work in creating the NHS transformed healthcare in the UK. Today, the NHS remains one of the country's most cherished public institutions and a testament to Bevan's legacy.